Now after texturing, the next part is baking these textures. Baking means is that it adds a shadow texture to the original texture. Here we can see that here are the plain textures with no lightning or shadows in the rendered image. So let me add a light source. I'm adding a light source on top of the pyramid, rather two light sources. And now when I render the image, you can see that there is a smooth lightning and a shadow effect created around the map. But in BombSquad, while importing the map in the code, we can't add this light source. So how to add this light and shadow effect is with the help of baking textures. Let me show you an example. Here I have added a plane, a cube and a light source with same method as I have done till now. When I render this image, here is the shadow created with the help of this light. But we can't add this light in BombSquad. How to create this light and the shadowing effect is with the help of baking textures. I'll show the output of the baking texture and you will understand clearly. So here is the output of the baked textures. Now if we remove this light, which is creating a shadow effect, then too we can see that there is a shadow and a lighting effect. Now if I move this block to the left, the shadow should also move to the left, but it will not. See. So what baking does, it's create a fixed shadow texture onto the original texture. You can see this texture in the UV editing mode. See. These are the baked texture. Here is a map with a texture and I have added two light sources on top of the two pyramids. This is the rendered image and now we have to create a baked texture. So for baking the texture, select the model and click on this camera icon and search for sampling. And the sampling should be minimum of 128 samples. Then click on bake.